Hi everyone, this is Martin from LTL, and today we're gonna dive into what everyone's talking about, the app xiaohongshu. I'm going to explain what it is, what it means, and how to use it. Let's get started. Number one, what does xiaohongshu mean? Xiaohongshu literally means little red book, but in English, people just call it Red or RedNote. Number two, what is xiaohongshu? It's essentially a mix of Instagram, TikTok, and a little bit online shopping. People use it to share experience, reviews, and tips, pretty much everything. That includes beauty, fitness, travel, and fitness. Wait, that's wrong. That includes beauty, travel, fashion, food, and fitness. And xiaohongshu right now is a super popular app, and it has more than 300 million active monthly users. It's a really great app if you want to discover new ideas, find new places to travel to, or maybe get some new tips. And number three, how to use xiaohongshu. Once you download the app and set up your own account, you end up on the homepage. And on there, you will see a feed that's based around your interest. But the main thing you want to pay attention to is the search bar, where you can look up bubble tea, restaurant, and any kind of tips. And there's gonna be tons of reviews, tips, and guides. Or on the bottom, there's option to explore trending posts, or you can also upload your own content. Okay, and that's it for today. Have you used xiaohongshu yet? Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!